Hello, 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 everybody. Nice to see you. Nice to be here. It's such a nice day. I decided to come out and we are going to do a little bit of scrying today. And this is my Oceana and Obsidian, Mookaite, and this is my Celestite. So with the Mookaite, I'll ground myself here and ask for Archangel Michael to surround us with protection, please, and also the highest divine loving source. So today we are going to ask about Princess Catherine, and it's been such a busy week for her and the rest of the royals and her lovely family. So we're going to see how she feels. I'm sure she's very proud, but let's just clear the air. I mean, we're outside too, but it just helps raise the vibration a little bit. So, Princess Catherine, let's just see. I'll sit for a minute and try to get her energies here. And actually, what I do with this is remote view. Remote viewing and I ask that the highest divine loving source give us the best message for our highest good, and we ask for protection for me and our property and the ones who are watching now and in the future. Thank you. And I open my chakras and divine messaging coming down through my crown chakra, third eye, throat chakra, heart, solar plexus, down into my arms as well, down into my palms and into my lovely stone here. And this is Felicity. So Felicity, please help us to with this messaging, please, as well. I ask you to open to us what message can we get today. How is Princess Catherine? It's starting to pulse now. How is Catherine, Princess of Wales, Her Royal Highness? She is feeling very proud, as you could see. She was worried about George, Prince George. I see a few tears from Prince George as well. I feel a few tears from Prince George. You know, secretly, and nobody knows this, that Catherine secretly loves the messages she's sending out. And she does look on... She does. She looks at what people say, the comments. Don't let anybody tell you that they don't they don't scour the internet as well. She sees all the bad and the good comments. And it does bother her, to be honest. She is worried about Prince William and the King. Their relationship is not good. She sees the anguish from her husband, and she gets frustrated as well. She's quite sad about she feels her kids are growing up too quickly. Just like any mother. I mean, secretly, it pulled at her heartstrings, knowing that Prince George is already this age to start his royal duties, training him. She still sees him as this little baby. It breaks her heart when they have to leave them, when they go on their duties. She loves to spend time with Prince William, but it breaks her heart about the children. Louis the most, because he throws the biggest fit. Okay, I'm kind of losing the connection now. Thank you so much. Thank you. I ask Archangel Michael to close this session, and I close all my chakras as well towards the outside. Surround us all with protection, and I give thanks to the highest divine loving source. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so here we are. Again, we are going to ask the pendulums this time about Princess Catherine, because some people are skeptical of me and my ability to scry or remote view, so we're going to ask the pendulums the same kind of questions. So anyway, just to prove to you guys. Okay, so for you, I put this to where yes is vertical and no is horizontal for you guys, okay? So that's how it's going to be. Can you see that? Yes and no sideways. Okay, so when we scried for Princess Catherine, I'm going to ask, was she worried about Prince George? And on the 5th of May, was she worried about Prince George, how he would do with his first royal duties, and he was in training? Yes, she was. Now, these are questions that I've asked, or that I got the answers to when I was scrying, so I'm just repeating this. So were there tears from Prince George? Because that's what we got when we scried. Were there tears from Prince George over the royal duties? Were there tears from Prince George? Yes. And I got that as well, that he on the reading, the rune reading I got, that he was very quite upset about it. So everything kind of ties in, doesn't it? So this one I kind of wanted to know about. Does Catherine secretly love the messages that she sends out through her dress and with the press? That she sends out through social media and the press and all that, because we did get that she secretly loves that. Like, for instance, who would be getting the message, she secretly loves that. Well, anyway, we're going to ask, is that true, Diana? Does she secretly love those messages, and she knows exactly who is going to see it? Yes, she does. She secretly loves it. So, does she see the comments on social media? Does she see the comments on social media, like X and Instagram, all that stuff? Does she see the comments? She does, look. I told you guys, she does. And, okay, is she worried about William and the King's relationship? Is she worried about William and the King's relationship? Let's give you a little kickstart. Is Princess Catherine worried about the relationship between William and the King? And that That looks like it's going to yes. Okay, well, it says rephrase, so we'll rephrase it. Is Catherine, is she worried about Prince William and his father's relationship? Because it gets kind of icy, and that is saying yes. Maybe I should have said, his father instead of the king, because that's the relationship, not between the prince and the king. And that's going to know, yeah, not between prince and the king, it's between Prince William, or William and his father. Okay, so does she get frustrated with Charles? Does Catherine get frustrated with Charles? And that's going to yes. Okay. That wick is kind of wicked. Oh, got wax on there. It's okay. So, does Catherine get frustrated with Charles, please? Does Catherine get frustrated with Charles? I'll give you a little kickstart. Does Catherine get frustrated with Charles, please? Okay, does Princess Catherine get frustrated with King Charles? I guess we're going to have to go back to, yes, to royal titles here, sometimes. Okay, is she sad? Oh, yeah. I did ask that, didn't I? I mean, we got that message that she's sad about her children growing up too quickly. Like any mother, she's sad about her children growing up too quickly. And that's going to yes. Yeah. I'm just repeating some of the things just so you guys know. So, it pulled on her heartstrings that Prince George is old enough for royal duties. It pulled on her heartstrings that Prince George is old enough for royal duties. That's going to yes. Of course it would, because she's the mom. So, I just wanted to ask a few questions just to back up my answers. And also, I kind of like it too, but I get some not very nice comments, so just so you know, to those people, sorry. But the rest of you are so lovely. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. And just thank you for being here and joining me. And thank you to all of my subscribers. And if you like this content, please press the like button. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'm going to shout out to all my members. I thank you so much. I appreciate you for supporting me and my channel. And if you'd like to become a member, press that join button and all the directions are there. There's something for everyone. So thank you, and I will see you all on the next one.